we're gonna put you on YouTube.
Oh.
When I get home, I'll put you on YouTube.
Oh. Tracy's got one of these too.
Oh, okay.
You got a Polaris.
Oh, wow.
Bring the jacket. Jacket. I got a vest behind the seat here. The tracks are broke. British truck is gone.
Yep.
Yeah, day before yesterday we drove 70 miles.
Wow.
The old Jeep broke down. I had to pull it a half a mile.
Uh-oh.
I pulled it to sand about that deep. I had her in low, four-wheel drive and low. It labored the old girl to pull him up through there. He said, you can't pull me up through there, but I did.
How did it break down? What happened to it, you know?
Wasn't getting gas.
Oh.
I told him, he said the fuel pump went out. That's it. You're the fuel pumper, you got a clogged fuel filter. Well, I don't know. He turned it up sideways. I said, that's all black. I said, I just changed one like that in my tractor. So he got his jackknife out and cut that son of a bitch right out of there.
Yep.
He had a little pipe. He hooked her up direct.
Yep.
We drove about 3 miles, she quit again. I think there's dirt and rust in that old Jeep gas tank. We just keep
Plug it off.
getting in the carburetor. Or in the lines up there, plug it off.
Yep. Well, can you drive straight through now?
No, I wish they would put that bridge in there.
Well, I wasn't sure with the four-wheel drive if you can make it through there or not.
What do you mean, the river? Yeah. If you swim and pull me,
Okay.
bridge still out.
Yeah, okay.
How do you like this?
Yeah, probably no dust, right?
Right? Well, I bought a canvas hood.
Yeah.
I took the doors off day before yesterday.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Get a little bit more airflow. Yeah.
Oh yeah. When you're running slow on a hot day like today, it gets pretty hot in here. But you take this, shove it out like that,
Yep.
feel that cool air.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Wow.
Makes a hell of a difference. Are you ready, dog? Boy, I like this son of a bitch. The longer I got it, the better I like it.
I know Trinity's really excited to come out and ride with you.
Oh yeah, she
Yeah.
told me that so you get a little